Well, this is your first exit off the highway, buddy. I'm gonna start hauling some ass here and see what these cars are doing. Whoa, that's hilarious. Not hilarious, look at that. Show them how not hilarious that is.
Okay.
Okay, what? It's all good. Not hilarious once again. Don't you smile when the camera turns on you. Okay, Mom's gonna run the camera. And then we're gonna take you into the, yeah. Ooh, go Mom.
Just good at it. Just it's not a good idea for the driver in a snowstorm.
Snowstorm. It's not a snowstorm. There's not even snow on the road. It's not storming and it's not snowing.